Happy holiday, guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I am going to do today, guys. So I will see you right after this. Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I am going to show you how I'm going to do my Christmas ham. I have two ham here. My girlfriend asked me to do hers, so I'm just going to do both of them together. So the ingredients is, this is what I'm going to use. I need some honey, a piece of ginger, some cloves, toothpick, cherry, pineapple, sliced pineapples, and this is cranberry sauce. I am going to prepare these and I'm going to put them together to boiled. So let me show you what I do.
Want you follow me on?
Guys, my husband is holding the camera and he's so unruly. He's doing what he wants to do with the camera. So I'm using the pine juice. I'm gonna use the pine juice for the sauce. And I need the slices for the decorations of the
Yeah. Cranberry sauce. I don't know. I them turn it upside down and crazy.
Okay, so it's time to dive in. We are making the sauce right now. We're gonna put it to boil. So this is a can of cranberry sauce and pine juice that came from the tin. So we're gonna put that to use as well. This is some cloves. So I'm gonna put some cloves in here because I like the flavor of the cloves when it boiled. Also, I'm gonna add about a half a cup of honey in this. I'm gonna add some more honey later, but for now I am using about a half a cup and a cup of sugar because the ham is salty, so you want to get some of the salt out. I use a piece of ginger as well, so the cranberry sauce is gonna give it like a tangy taste. I'm just mixing this up, but I am going to put it on the fire and let it boil while I prepare the that is like less than a cup of sugar, but I'm gonna add a little more honey to it.
Shake it up too much though. Camera it now go.
So this is gonna boil, guys, and it gives the ham a really nice taste. So now I'm gonna put it in a pot and I'm gonna let this boil for about 30 minutes. So now I am just going to remove the ham from the plastic, the hams, because it's two hams. Okay, so the sauce is ready, guys, and it's boiled for about 30 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is apply this sauce to the ham. Nice and juicy, guys. This now is just going to take away some of the salt from the so I'm just putting a little bit of decoration on it, which is the pineapple and some cherry. So I'm not going to put any cloves on here now because I already put some in the sauce to give it that flavor. So giving it this side, I'm just going to do one side. And then when I put it in the oven, I'm going to flip it after 2 hours. I'm going to put this in the oven for 2 hours to steam and get out some of that salt. You know, add this sauce on here, and then I am going to put some more honey in the rest of the sauce and boil that down to a glaze for the finishing. So I'm just adding the sauce right now. Make sure it go right through and through. Okay, so I have a little bit leave, and I'm going to put some honey on there. So I'm covering up with file paper, guys, and I'm going to put it in the oven on 500 degree to let it cook. 500 degree because it's gonna steam, and I want it to steam real hot. So that was in there for 2 hours, and this is what it looks like. So I flip it in an hour on one side and an hour on the other side. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to decorate this side. I'm gonna throw off the water first. As you can see that, guys, it's well cooked. It's ready to eat already. So I am going to use the rest of the sauce that I made. I add some more honey to that so it give it this nice brown color. So here you have it, you guys. So I am putting on this honey glaze on here, and I'm getting it all the way down so that when I put it back in the oven, it's just need to get color. Yep, slice by slice, getting that glaze down in here to give you that nice, delicious finishing and taste. Oh yes. Yep. So now I'm going to do the next one. So with this, guys, I'm just going to repeat the process with this one, and then I am going to decorate this side. The other side already decorated with pineapple and cherry, so I'm just gonna do the same with this side, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 30 minutes, and it's still on 500 degree. Nice and brown, right? Look at it already. It actually looks like it's done. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 30 minutes on that 500 degree. so it kind of dry it down a little bit. So it's in the oven, and guys, 30 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Ready to eat. Check that out. It's nice and juicy. It's delicious. Whoa. You know what? Eating this with an egg, lettuce and tomato, with 2 slices of bread. Psh, so good. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below.
No.
Tell me what you think in the comment section below. And if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.
No, so. You press the play? Me don't want them put you in there. So nobody video do something unprofessional. What me say?
I say I make YouTube say like bad man, other fire.
No, me not in a joke, cause you can't. Me don't want the pot and them something there in the video.
Look on our YouTube.
Oh my gosh, you see?
Look on our world. Alright, we're up to now. We're up to now. What we going to say now?
Alright, so let me see. Let me get the book. Me dey pan the joke with people. Serious thing me dey pan.
People when
Your environment must look tidy.
when they want on a normal day, them good and alright. You know?
Alright, so.
But as soon as
Hold up
they
the
use
camera.
the visitors that come,
No.
you see them must go up this and straighten up that and hurry up and
Let me see the camera. No, you can't do the camera, so. Me don't want the pot. You're not going to get it. Certain things don't fit in the video. No matter waste up no time with the video. Take the camera off of me.
I'm going to show what you do.
But me don't want me in there.
So you're not going to introduce it and show your face.
No. Yeah, I'm going to do an intro, but me don't want to fit in the video. No put me in there, none at all. Just hold down the camera upon them and what I do. Me have them there already. I want you to do